When we think of communication, we probably think of the simple interactions we have with our peers each day. However, when we look deeper into how we communicate with each other, it becomes clear that the art of communicating is a skill that we can all improve on. My name is Christopher Disisto. I'm a freshman at UCF, and these are my four big takeaways so far from my COM1000 course at UCF. Today, I'm going to be talking about why proper listening is important, the need to adapt our communication when we communicate with people from different cultures and co-cultures, why taking the time to plan and organize a speech is beneficial, and the ways to properly use presentational aids. So my first takeaway is about the importance of listening. To listen effectively to someone, you need to pay attention to what they're saying. This may sound obvious, but this is something a lot of people struggle with. We have to eliminate distractions from both our physical environment and from our mind. This includes resisting the urge to form a response to the speaker before they stop talking. Doing so can greatly increase your chances of listening effectively. My second takeaway is to try to adapt our communication to people of different cultures. Many cultures and co-cultures have differences that create a lot of misunderstandings when communicating with people. These differences can be using a different name for something, such as calling an elevator a lift, or they can be using different languages entirely. When we're talking to people of a different culture or co-culture, we need to be aware of actions or words that create misunderstandings and be able to clarify them. My third takeaway is about the benefit of taking the time to organize a speech. Creating an outline and defining your main points and subpoints can go a long way into making your speech look and sound professional. My final takeaway is about the importance of properly using presentational aids. When used properly, they can help your audience have a clearer understanding of what you are explaining. When used improperly, they can confuse and even distract the audience from the speaker. Use a presentational aid properly, a speaker should carefully plan when it will be used and only show it to the audience when they're talking about it. Leaving a presentational aid visible when not talking about it can distract the audience. To recap, my four main takeaways from my COM1000 course at UCF are the importance of listening effectively, the need to adapt communication when talking to people of different cultures and co-cultures, the benefits of organizing a speech, and the best ways to use presentational aids. If you can remember these ideas when you're communicating with others or planning your next speech, it will help you communicate more effectively and clearly. Thank you.